Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to disable address bar search suggestions in Microsoft Edge. Ito yung kapag nag-type ka ng query or website link sa address bar ay lumalabas lahat ng barrel search suggestions. Kung gusto mong i-turn off ito or i-disable with this quick easy method lang. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Microsoft Edge web browser. Okay, so halimbawa dito ay kailangan natin mag-search ng how to make website. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung mga suggestion niya, okay? So kung gusto natin itong i-turn off or i-disable, ay napakadali lang naman. Dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang select yung tatlong dot and then select mo lang yung settings. Dito sa kanyang settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung privacy, search, and services. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa privacy and search services, scroll down tayo. And then hanapin natin yung services. Okay, so scroll down ulit. And then select natin yung address bar and search. So click lang natin to. And then ito na siya. So dito sa address bar and search, di yung pinakauna na show me search sites and suggestions ay kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off. Turn off natin yan. And then yung pangalawa naman na suggestions ay kailangan mo lang itong i-turn off. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple and then tingnan natin. So close lang tayo ng tab, refresh tayo, and then open natin yan. Then kailangan natin dito mag-search. Okay, so search natin na how to make website. Ayan mga kaibigan. So makita mo dito na natanggal na yung search suggestions. Yung kanina ito yung ginawa natin ay lumalabas lahat ng suggestions. Ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-disable yung address bar search suggestions sa Microsoft Edge. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in a comment down below. Thank you guys and see you on my next tutorial.